Hey team, I wanted to shoot a quick video on how to build a program on Trainerize. It shouldn't take you more than 5 minutes, so let's go through it. There's 4 steps. Step number 1 is you're going to open up the trainer. You can open up the client, look at the trainer notes. Step number 2, you're going to subscribe them to a master program. Step number 3, you're going to build out the live training sessions. And then step number 4, you're going to build out the YouTube workouts, okay? So let's follow this step by step and it should take us 5 minutes. So over here, I'm going to look at my client. My client is named, as an example, this is LeBron James. I'm going to look over here on the trainer's notes. So it's going to be a 1-hour intermediate workout on YouTube, and then Monday, Wednesdays, and Fridays is 7 a.m. group class, and then this guy has no injury. So let's open it up. Step number 2 is we're going to subscribe them onto a master program. Now, depending on where they're at, if they are on 21 days, then we're going to subscribe them to a 21-day program. If they're an existing client on phase 2, then we're going to subscribe them to a month A, month B, month C program. Okay, so you're going to go into training programs. We're going to go subscribe to a master program, shared, select a master program, and you'll see here that if they're on phase 2, you're going to see month A, B, C, D, and E. So every month, every 4 weeks, we're going to select a different master program. And inside of these master program templates, every week there's a motivational message. We're going to ask them to track their body stats, their weight, and also twice a month, there's going to be a motivational video. Okay, so over here, let's say that they're on month number A, and we're going to start this on Monday, and let's hit subscribe. Next, we're going to customize this. So we're going to convert this into a custom program over here, and then convert. Alright, next we're going to go into the calendar. Now, this person is going to be working out Monday, Wednesdays, and Fridays in the group class. So we're going to go here, workout, import from, master workout, shared workouts, and then these are the live sessions. So live, 7 a.m., I'm going to import that. I'm going to repeat this Monday, Wednesday, Friday, repeat that for the next 4 weeks. Very important that you keep it at 4 weeks because you cannot stack programs. For example, if I have month A and then after 4 weeks and I repeat that for 8 weeks, it's only going to show 4 weeks for the clients. So very important that we update the program every 4 weeks. After the personal coaching session, you're going to be updating the workout, or after I convert them onto a phase 2 program, I'll set you up on a personal coaching call, and you're going to be updating their workout plan. All right. Now, after you schedule their group sessions, it's very important that you give them a reminder. Before, we are texting them manually, and it's a headache. Now we're going to just automate that process. Okay. So we're going to go into our list over here, building custom client program workouts on Trainerize. We're literally going to copy and paste this auto message. We're just going to change this instead of a 10 a.m. class or session is going to be a 7 a.m. session. So 7 a.m. I'm going to copy this. Make sure you put automated message so they know it's automated. I'm going to go here. I'm going to go auto message. I'm going to put this in the night before. Clients are usually the most active in the evening, so I'm going to put that at 5 o'clock. Reminder, text. I'm going to paste that in, hit add. I'm going to schedule, and I'm going to repeat this. So I'm going to repeat this the night before all the workouts. It's going to be Tuesday, reminding them from Wednesday, Thursday, reminder for Friday, and Sunday, reminder for Monday. Again, I'm going to repeat this 4 weeks. Boom. All right, next, let's build out the YouTube workouts. So again, this person, if I look on their profile, wants to work out 1 hour, and it's an intermediate level workout. And very important that you do not repeat videos, okay? So let's go Tuesday, workout, import, master workout, shared workouts. Let's go full body. This is an intermediate, so I'm going to scroll down, intermediate volume 1. I'm going to import that, so that's going to be good for 30 minutes. And I'm going to put another 15-minute video over here. And usually 30-minute video and a 15-minute video, usually they'll pause or take a break, and it's going to end up being an hour if they stretch before and after. Import, master workout. Let's throw in the core here. Core. Let's do intermediate. Let's do the volume 1. And then next month, we're going to do volume 2. And that's how we're going to progress them and keep everything fresh and exciting. Import. I'm going to repeat that over the next 4 weeks. Boom. Next, let's go into Thursday. And let's go import from, shared workouts, and let's give this person a full body again. Full body. And let's do intermediate volume 2, import. And let's give this person some arms. Actually, yeah, let's do the arms. We're going to do volume 1, intermediate, import. I'm going to repeat that for 4 weeks. Add. Alright, Saturday, let's give them some cardio, workout, import from, shared workouts, cardio. It's going to be intermediate, volume 1. This is 30 minutes, import. Let's throw in some legs in here as well. Let's go legs, intermediate, volume 1, import. Repeat that for 4 weeks. And then Sunday, I usually like to have Sunday like kind of a rest day. So then I'll give them a stretch or a recovery workout, master workout, shared workouts. Let's go stretch and recovery. So this is going to be recovery. Let's do a 30-minute one. Intermediate, 10 minutes. Here we go, volume 1, 30 minutes, import. I'm going to repeat that for 4 weeks. Boom, and I'm done, and that literally took me like 5 minutes. So that's how you're going to be building out your client's workout plan, and every month you're going to progress them. So here, you'll see that this is month A. Next month, in the next 4 weeks, is going to be month B, month C, month D, etc. And then also, you don't want to repeat the videos more than once a week. And then next month, in the next 4 weeks, I'm going to have different videos. So instead of a full body volume 1, I'm going to have full body volume 2, or full body volume 3. Instead of a core volume 1, I'm going to have a core volume 2. Okay, and built in on these templates are inspirational messages. So every week they're going to be getting an inspiring message. So for example, here the secret to success is found in your daily routine, and also twice a month they're going to get a motivational video. So you see here a little motivational video here, about 5 minutes, to keep them inspired. Okay, so hope that works, hope that helps, and kind of go from there. Keep up the hard work.